Today I'm taking a look at this ALLWEI 2000 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter. So if you're building a camper or a camper van or traveling and need some power supply and you don't have access to AC power or 110 power, you plug into a wall. Or if you're on a job site somewhere where you have plenty of 12 volt power but you need to run a saw or something like that, that's exactly where this can come in handy. This can be bolted into a camper, RV, van conversion, whatever it might be, or in your regular vehicle, hook it up to 12 volt to the battery of the vehicle, and then you have yourself an inverter here that's going to give you the option of plugging in a couple of regular 110 outlet items here. And you can see that's what I have here. Now I have it hooked up to 12 volt power, and I like the fact that it does come with this remote switch that you can put, so this can be like underneath or in the back of the van somewhere out of sight, and you have this long wire you can run and mount this in the wall somewhere, and it's your on and off power. If you don't need this, and you do have a power button right here as well. Once you have it hooked up, you do have two outlet options here, and you are good to go. Now I'm going to turn it on remotely. You can see it comes on. The fan kicks on for a second, but it's not hot, so the fan shuts right back off. And then we are ready to go. The instructions are very straightforward, very easy to set up. I just got a Dremel hooked into it right now. I got this plugged in right here. As you see, I have regular AC power with this thing hooked up to 12 volt. And you do have a readout here. It flashes back and forth from AC, DC. We've got DC of 12 volts and AC of 120 volts. So it is ready to go right out of the box, other than just getting a few wires hooked up and you're good to go. It does have the hardware to mount it down. It has some fasteners if you need to put these in the wall for a more secure connection. It also comes with the small screws to mount the remote in the wall as well, these 4 holes. All you gotta do is drill a round hole the size of this, slip this in, plug the wire in, and you are good to go. So this is going to be very handy in those cases where you don't have access to regular 110, 120 power, but you have a vehicle with you that has the 12 volt battery in it. Hook this thing up and you got yourself 110 power. And you can run a couple different things on this. It's not a real big one, but you certainly can run small tools like this one at a time, or two small tools or one larger tool. It will handle pretty well. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me to do this review, and I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this short video shows you what you're going to get if you get this and what comes in the box. That's pretty much everything right here. Obviously not the Dremel tool, that's mine. I just got that plugged into it, and you are ready to set this up. Let me just turn it around and show you how the back is set up here as well. Here's the back of the unit itself right here. And you can see this is where you get your ground and your positive wire that goes to your 12 volts. So you have nice heavy wires here that are included in the box, ready to go. And then of course you have the mounting holes here where you can mount this on a wall, on a floor, whatever you might want to do. But that's it right there. Now these guys, as I said, were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review. And I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. I hope this short video helps you out. But now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.